Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you GEICO not answering phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on the search bar type in GEICO mobile app. Now once the results load, simply see for the GEICO mobile app icon like this and then tap on it and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen and then tap on your settings. Now inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the GEICO mobile app and then tap on it, and on tapping you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.